mixed squad. Our two referee for tonight, referee Piner and referee Chase. And we'd like to thank our sponsors, Basket Police Tamay, Core Sports, Chewy, and Mang Minasal, Abu Dhabi. Okay! First position of Bangsamoro Esteban. What a shot coming from Bangsamoro. 2-0. Too strong by Sobrano. Rebound top. It's Esteban. Now Esteban out. Set the play. Back to Esteban. Esteban drive. Big pass. Wanna move down Esteban now. 4-0. 4-point lead now on Bangsamoro. We're live. Lee. Kick out pass. Sobrano looking for Perma. Perma now. Perma drive. 40 to shoot. It's 3-second violation on Cañete. Turnover on mixed squad. The first turnover of the game. This is just our first game, first match. For our 40 about category, it's King Datu. Now Sing. Too strong top. Ibabeli. Sobrano guarded by nice fake. Sobrano, it's foul. Basket count and 1 on Sobrano. Foul on number 14. Bangsamoro. 2-4. First team foul on number 14. First on Bangsamoro. Now 3-4. Second shot. Too strong. Back by Bangsamoro. Turnover by Bangsamoro. 8 minutes and 30 seconds to lead for our score. 1 point lead against Bangsamoro. 8 minutes. Now Palitan. Looking for Sobrano. Now Sobrano.
Balik lang.
Asa? Speaker?
Balik lang.
Nice fake. Cañete. Yes, nice shot coming from Cañete. It's 5-4. 1 point lead now, mixed squad.
Lapit, lapit! Walang isi-shot!
Favorite shot. Again, too strong. Rebound, top.
Nice, buddy!
It's mixed squad ball. 7 minutes remaining time. 7 minutes and 30 seconds. 5-4 to 1 point lead on mixed squad. Now Lee. Right, again, Sobrano, too strong, top is Perma. Perma now, 10 seconds to shoot. Again, rebound on Bangsamoro top. It's violation on Bangsamoro.
Kamay lang. Starts, kamay lang. Open.
7 minutes remaining time. 5-4 our score. Mixed squad by 1. Now Lee. Pasok Cañete. Drive. Cañete. Kick out pass. Sobrano. Sobrano back to Lee. 10 seconds to shoot. It's a rubbing violation of Lee. Turnover on mixed squad. Still our score. 5-4. 1 point lead against mixed squad. Now King Datu.
King, bigay King. Kita.
Right, nice pass, kick out pass, nice fake. Esteban, favorite shot, short. Esteban again, nice, it's foul. Foul on number 52 on Palitan. It's first on against Palitan. Second team foul on the squad. First on the squad. 10 to shoot. Block. One to the count. Now 6-4, 6-5. 1 point lead na Bangsamoro. Rebound on Bangsamoro. Now Esteva to Kingato. Right, Kingato coast to coast. Yes, first basket, first shot on Kingato. It's now 8 against 5. 3-point lead na Bangsamoro. Now it's Balitan, short, Nasim. 3-on-2, 3-on-3, Sin drive, move, what a move. Yes, now Sin, it's 10 against 5. It's a 5-point lead now Bangsamoro. Sombrano.
Ayaw na lang duwa.
Now Lee, favorite shot, short. Rebound again Bangsamoro. Steal by Sombrano. Rebound against Bangsamoro. It's 9. It's 2-1. 9 now. Rush baby. Time out. On mixed score. 10-5 or score. 5-point lead on Bangsamoro. And our timeouts brought to you by Color Sports. Basket Police naman and Dewey Abu Dhabi. And we're live on the Facebook page of Basket Police naman. 3 minutes and 54 seconds remaining time. First quarter, first game. 4-40 above. Nice pass on Chais Dina instead of pass coming from Sin. Now 12-5. 7-point lead now Bangsamoro. Lee, Sombrano, fake, nice fake, Sombrano. Again, rebound by Perma, nabigay, it's Perma, it's foul. Foul number 21 on Esteva, first against Esteva. Second team foul. On Bangsamoro, first against Esteva, 40 to shoot. Sombrano, fake. Sombrano again, 10 seconds to shoot. 5. It's 3 seconds violation on Balitan. 3 minutes remaining time, first quarter. Still 7-point lead on Bangsamoro. Tato, short. Paalam. Hindi paalam. Hindi paalam. Oh,
walang paalam, wala rin sinabi. Technical tayo.
Not counted yun, ha? Copy natin.
Basket natin yan, technical lang tayo.
As the referee said, basket count, and technical foul on Malados. Now our score 8-4, 8-12.
Mama ko bantay. Technical ko bantayan na. Wala i-trace niya.
Technical foul on Malados for return game. 2 minutes and 58 seconds. Now score it's 8-12.
Ha? Jury man. Asan ang jury? Nuwa man. Huwag babalik. Oh, no. Hindi na lang.
Sin.
Haras!
Now Esteva. Back to Sin. Fake. 10 seconds to shoot. Short. Esteva on the way up. Esteva. 40-8.
Wala kong box.
Now 6-point lead back to Bangsamoro. Swerving violation on Perma. Turnover again on mixed squad. Working to 8, 2 minutes and 26 seconds. First quarter, first game. For our 40 above category. Now Esteva again, Balitan. Back to King Dato. King Dato, welcome back. King Dato, rebound again, Esteban. That's black, Everton. Sing. Bang! 16-8. Now 8-point lead on Bangsamoro. Lee. Back to Balitaan. Now Perma. Lee, 10 seconds to shoot. Lee for 3. In and out. Rebound by Singh. Still by Sobrano. All alone by Sobrano. Escape now 10-16. A 6-point lead now Bangsamoro.
Lapit tatas lang kamay, huwag lang ano.
9. Long three. Bang, bang, bang. Oh, 9. 19-10. A 9-point lead now Bangsamoro. Now Lee. Pass to Perma. Nice pass, legal pass. Again, now, let's ask ano pang Perma to Sumbrano. 12-19, 1 minute remaining time. Now, King Dato. Back to King Dato. Fake, legal pass. 9. Same spot. 4-3. Short. Rebound top. It's Perma. Now it's 2-1. Sumbrano all the way. Bang! Basket down and 1 on Sumbrano. Foul on King Dato. It's first on King Dato. 43 seconds. First personal foul on King Dato. Third team foul against Bangsamoro. Now 15-19. Back to 4-point lead. Bangsamoro. 30 seconds. Rebound. Same spot. Short. Esteban.
Sige lang.
Foul on Balitaan. Second on Balitaan. Third against Smith Squad. Second personal foul against Balitaan. First basket, first shot. No good for Esteban. 24 seconds. It's 1 out to 2 coming from Esteban. 20-15. Sumbrano, 30-9. 20 seconds. Lee. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! Oh, Lee! 10 seconds. 5. It's foul. Foul number 24 on Sumbrano. First on Sumbrano. Score is 20 against 18. A 2-point lead on Bangsamoro. Second quarter ready, second quarter. Wala tayong palitan ha. Third na tayong palit. Third na tayo, third. It's mixed squad ball. First position of Bangsamoro. Second quarter ready. Malajos now in the ball game. Malajos. Carried by King Dato. Balitaan. Nice move. Drive. Balitaan. Left-handed slice. Too strong. Rebound. Kick out pass. Cañete. Malajos. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! On Malajos. 21-20. 1 point lead now. Back to mixed squad. Mulke. Steal. Malajos. New hairdo, new 2023 new year, Parmalajos. Still now, Esteban. Nasrid, foul. Foul on number 49 on Cañete. It's first team foul on squad. Second personal foul against Cañete. It's 9 minutes remaining time. Ulit. 8 minutes and 50 seconds.
Taas!
Malajos. Stop.
Nice, Abdulaziz!
Cañete.
Siap lang!
And shoot.
Siap lang!
Now, Balitan is 23 against the 20. 3-point lead now on mixed squad. It's running violation and collect back-to-back turnover at Bangsamoro. 8 minutes and 20 seconds. 23 against 20. 3-point lead on mixed squad. Malajos. Perma. Now Bernes. In and out, top. Malajos again. 14 shot clock. And to shoot. Traveling violation again on mixed squad. Both teams have turnover. King Datu. Esteban. He got passed by Singh. Long two. Bang! 22 to 21. 1 point in now mixed squad. (22 to 23). Rebound now. It's running now. Nice move. Luquiao. Rebound on Viernes. Viernes now. Perma is still on Abdulaziz. Datu. Esteban is foul. Foul on number 1 on Sir Viernes. It's first. It's Sir Viernes. Second team foul on mixed squad. Rebound Balitan. Malajos. Balitan, right, too strong. Rebound on Mark Abdulaziz. Now Esteban. Looking for King Datu. King Datu goes to post. King Datu move. King Datu short up. It's Perma. Now Perma killing the point guard. Perma 3-2. Perma, nice move. Nice. Oh, Malajos. Defense on Esteban. 23 against the 22, 14 to shoot. Perma. Still on Mark Abdulaziz. First basket, first time. Oh, halalayap coming from Abdulaziz. 24 to 23, back to 1 point lead on Bangsamoro. Perma, block, foul. Foul on Luquiao. It's first on Bangsamoro. First personal foul on Luquiao. 5 minutes remaining time, 24 to 23. So, 1 point lead Bangsamoro. Zero to 2 coming from Perma. Steal again. Nice save by Balitan. Too strong. Perma again. The long arm by Perma. Block. Rebound by Mark. Now King Datu. 1-on-1. It's foul.
Foul.
Second personal foul on Sir Viernes. Third against mixed squad. 4 minutes remaining time. Now King Datu. Running. King Datu goes to post. Foul. Foul again on number 49 on Cañete. It's third against Cañete.
Kuya, tahan lang sa paula.
Warning for penalty. Second on Cañete. Warning for penalty on mixed squad. 25 against 23. Now 2-point lead Bangsamoro. Rebound on Cañete. Abdulaziz running Estela. Hesitation play. Estela pass. Now trying to to Lucia. Black by Perma. All is Malajos running and gunning. Now 25 all. It's 4 minutes. It's Kindato again. Now 27 to 25. Malajos. Kali by Abdulaziz. Ten seconds to shoot. Bang, 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 bang. On Balitan. 28 to 27. Back to 1-point lead on mixed squad. Stella. Luciao. Too strong. Foul.
Nice. Atin.
Foul on Stella. Second team foul on Bangsamoro. Second personal foul on Stella. Malajos. 2 minutes and 40 seconds.
Dapat tatlo sa labas.
Nice move. Viernes. Open jump. Short. Cañete. Black. Estela. Now King Datu. Nice move by Luciao. 29 against 28. Back to 1-point lead of Bangsamoro. 2 minutes and 27 seconds. Perma, 10 seconds to shoot. Malajos, pay, 5. Balitan, Malajos, 10 seconds reset, set clock. 5. Now it's Luciao, Estela, Black. Foul on Perma. Now mixed squad on penalty. First personal foul on Perma. Basket. It's 2-2 coming from Estela. 31-28. Back to 3-point lead now on Bangsamoro. Viernes. Malajos. Bang, bang, bang on Malajos. 31 all. In and out. Estela, top. King Datu. Rebound on Malajos. 1 minute. In and out, top. Rebound on its foul. Foul on Cañete. It's third against Cañete. Penalty. Third personal foul on Cañete. Mixed squad now over the limit penalty. $33 all are scored, 33 all, 31 all. Now Malajos, 1 minute. 57 seconds, 57. Chat niya isa. Basket isa. Free throw. 32, 31, 32, 31. Time to shoot. Five. Now, Viernes, 33 to 32. The 1-point lead now. Let's mix one. 34 to 33, 30 seconds.
Last shot na, last shot, tol.
20,
Ganyan lang, ganyan lang.
15. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! On Malados! 10 seconds! Kingatu is foul. Foul on number 52. 3 seconds, 3. 3 seconds, 3 seconds. 3 seconds. So 13 foul, third personal foul on Balitaan. 3 seconds, 3. 3 seconds, 3.
Sakit pa. Right foul, right foul.
3 seconds, 3 seconds.
Kunin mo, last shot na.
Violation, violation.
O, bola. 3 seconds sa ato.
3 seconds.
Walang foul, ha? Walang foul. Wala na.
And now for second quarter, scores 36 to 34, a 2-point lead on mixed squad.
Oh, bawas tayo, bawas. Oh, bawas muna tayo, pang samuro. Kahit konti.
Pwede na balitaan, saka 100 to. Wala, yun lang naglaro, pwede yun.
Pero bigyan natin si Rip regalo ko. Baik, tsaka nang bawas sa inyo, bigay ko. Ha?
Yan ang.
Iwan na bigyan, iwan na sila. Ay, na sila. Hindi ko magsugod, bala. Una din ha, ibutang ha. Uy, wala daw ibutang ha. Okay, wala ba sikat nito? Ano ang muna nila?
Kanyete, sir. Kanyete. Pwede mo na, guys. Oy, lamang tayo. Pwede na.
Pwede na, 16.
Ah, kanya.
Wala na, plus.
Kay Gis.
Oh, Gis, gaw, Gis.
Di tayo Gis. 16 ka.
Ha?
60 la.
Oh.
Tayo Gis.
Ayaw, ate, laki, Gis.
Magsumuro.
Magsamuro sa iyo kanina.
Magsumuro, second quarter, mixed squad.
Matanggal yan.
Wala pang binigay pang sumuro, fourth quarter start. Bigay kayo. Ah, basta magbigay kayo.
Nine. Too strong. Rebound mark. Tap. Kick out pass. 14 seconds. Still by Perma. Ang Malados. Balitaan. Looking for Malados. Perma, 10 seconds to shoot. It's foul. First personal foul on Karoy. First against Bangsamoro. And to shoot. Foul on again on number 16. His second team foul on Bangsamoro. It's first personal foul on number 16. Eight minutes remaining time, 8 minutes 56 seconds, 14 to shoot. Wow, what a move coming from Sombrano. It's 38 to 34. Karuay. It's scoring ball. 8 minutes and 39 seconds still. 4-point lead now, Bangsamoro. Inbounding Sumbrano. Now, balitaan. Lee. Now, Perma. Lee. Perma, open jump, elbow jumper. It's Perma. 40 now to 34. 6-point lead now, mid squad. Rebound up. Balitaan. Now, Sumbrano. 1-1 by 9. Sumbrano, it's foul. Foul on 9. Second on 9. 13 foul against Bangsamoro. Second personal foul against 9. Forty-one to 34, 7-point dynamic squad. Slowly but surely dynamic squad up by 7. It's 1 out to 2 ng Subrano. Subrano again rebound. Back to Malajos. Malajos now, 10 seconds to shoot. Perma. 1-1 by 9. Perma now, kick out pass. Perma 5. Subrano. Short. Rebound on Bangsamoro. 9 all away. Nice move. Kick out pass. It's traveling violation. As the referee decision, traveling violation. 41 to 34. 7 minutes remaining time. 7-point lead mixed squad. This is our first game, first match. And we're live on the Facebook page. Perma. Perma now. Nice fake. Perma fake. Nice defense on the ball. Steal now on Carruaje. 3-on-2. 3-on-1, Carruaje, pass to Luquiao, in and out, 9. It's mixed squad ball, plus catch by 9, 6 minutes and 49 seconds.
Lamang tayo!
Malajos. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! Oh, Malajos! 44 to 34. Back to 10-point lead now, mixed squad. Sumbrano. Foul! Basket down on 1 on Sumbrano. Time out! Oh, mixed squad.
Wala tayong sub. 6 minutes pa. Hintay, 5 minutes pa tayo.
Ay, minute na pala.
It's 46 to 34. Sa 12-point lead now, Bangsamoro. to 34. 12-point lead mixed squad. It's a 12-0 run. 12-0 run coming from mixed squad. 6 minutes and 12 seconds. Now 47 to 34. 13-point lead now with mixed squad. Kick out pass. Luquiao. Short. Same ball. 14 na set shot clock. 5 minutes and 50 seconds.
Bigyan ng bola si PJ!
Luquiao. Gulasis. Too strong. Rebound by Subrano. Now Malajos. Skate. Pay. Looking for Balitan. Balitan. Kick out pass. Subrano. Drive. Subrano. Nice pass. Balit saan to Subrano. Now 49. Against the 34. What a play coming from Subrano to Balitan. 5 minutes and 15. Luquiao. Short, top, 9. Again, short. Substitution rep sub, 4 minutes and 54 seconds, 49 against to 34. Di yan pwede palitan si Mark, di pwede palitan. Di pa yung pasok yan, di pa yung pasok yan. Pasok ka, sige, sige. 49 to 34 score. The 15-point lead now on mixed squad. Manajos. Stop. Lead. 10 seconds to shoot. Rebound on Sin.
Defensa, Fred, defensa!
Now Shen, right, coast to coast. Boom! What a great move by Shen, now 36 to 49. Back to 13-point lead on mixed squad.
Shot clock, ha? Shot clock!
10 to shoot. Short. Rebound on Pamsamoro. Nice bait, move, in and out. Rebound by Estevez, foul. Foul on Esteban. It's a 13 foul on Esteban. Warning for penalty on Pamsamoro.
Sige, sige! Sige yan!
Third on Esteban.
Third pa lang tayo, third. Second, mali yung kanina.
Sumbrano. Yan second to shoot. Cañete, Malajos. Too strong. Lumipang by Shen.
Foul yun, oh!
Yes, on Shen now 38 to 49. 11-point lead now on mixed squad.
Dato, huwag ka lang lumabog sa ilalim kasi wala na ito, oh!
Akin, sorry. Time out mo na.
2 minutes.
Pag nag-basket tayo.
Saka lang! Sa tres!
10 seconds to shoot.
Pag-basket nila.
Rebound Cañete. Open si second. It's Bangsamoro ball. Bangsamoro. Time out. On mixed squad. 1 minute and 55 seconds. 49. That's to 38.
Nilamang ka lang at tamaot pa tayo. Sabi mo, walang plus.
Bakit yung mga tao, boss?
Kaya tala sa kaula. Tayo ang mga
Steeler live and alive for the Facebook page of Basket Kristamay. Mixed squad versus Bangsamoro are for the above category.
Ayun na, ball coming.
Short. Save. Short again. Top. Esteban. Rebound. Steal on Malajos. Now Sumbrano. Malajos. Then to shoot. It's offensive foul. On number 24. Now, first team foul on mixed squad.
Defensa, pre!
Second on Sumbrano. Short. Lee. Sumbrano. Pay. Foul.
Hoy, 5 foul na yan.
Second personal foul on reverse. Now, penalty on Bangsamoro. Penalty. Second personal foul on Tuwanin, number 11.
Oh, counted.
50 to 38. Now, 12-point lead, each squad. Balitan. Nice move by Balitan. Now 52-38, 1 minute.
Pesa pa, pre!
Short. Stella. PJ. 10 seconds to shoot. Steal by Malajos. Alone by Malajos. 54, 38, 30 seconds. King Datu. Rebound by Betan. 20 seconds. Coast to coast, up. 15. Sumbrano, 56-38. 10 seconds.
Walang pau! Walang pau! Ano ka? Walang pau!
And now for third quarter score, 56-38. All by mixed score. Fourth quarter ready, fourth quarter. It's mixed squad ball, mixed squad.
Mamaya table ka mamaya.
Malajos. Sumbrano. It's foul. Alon Butiao. First team foul pang Samuro. Second personal foul against Luquiao. So 1 out to 2 coming from Sumbrano, now 57-38. Stella, elbow jump, rebound by Perma. Sumbrano. Malajos. Perma. Malajos. Short. Luquiao. Turnover again on Bang Samoro. Back-to-back turnovers. Bang Samoro. It's 7 minutes and 50 seconds. Malajos. Running. Body by Luquiao. It's Caniete. 10 seconds to shoot. Pass. Yes, what a shot coming from Cervernes, now 59 against the 38. Sen. King Datu. Too deep. Rebound by Caniete. Malajos. Now Sumbrano. And yet again, back to Viernes, second time around, too deep, too strong. Time out on Bangsamoro. It's 6 minutes remaining time, 59 against the 30.
Pagpagutin mo si Sinan. Huwag mo papakulan si Sinan. Kasi pag nakakatampak sa
Saba? Sate!
Bangsamoro ball, Bangsamoro. Shane, Black, Lukiao. What a move, Esteva, right place, at the right time. Esteva, 40 to 59, a 19-point lead now, mixed squad. Malajos. Malajos now stealing now, 10 seconds to shoot. Short, top. Rebound on Lukiao. Now Lukiao. Pass out, Esteva now again. Esteva! Basket down and one on Esteva. Foul on Balitan. It's third against Balitan. First team foul, mixed one. 44 against 59. Rebound Sombrano. Sombrano. Balikan pick. Too deep. 9 all alone. It's 9. 46 to 59. 13-point lead now on mixed one. Saras, 4 minutes, 40 seconds. Sombrano. Perma. Tadi penain, 10 seconds to shoot. Sombrano. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! Sombrano. Substitution time, Sabrat. Next game, Papa Bulls versus Motivation. Sombrano, Argemar. Short, rebound by PJ. Step again, bang! Favorite shot, right place again, right time. Again to Stella. Foul again ang mapipito on Balitan. Warning on Balitan. Fourth foul on Balitan. Third team foul against Big Swan. Substitution reps out.
Lamang sila. Mark. Lamang sila. Hindi sa third quarter. Lamang. Ito may kasalanan na sa third quarter. Ito.
Warning on Balitan. Fourth on Balitan. Third team foul. Big Swan. Rebound on Perma.
Ay, mabuka. Naman.
Again, turnover on squad. 2 minutes and 34 seconds. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! On DJ 51 against the 62. Now 11-point lead on mixed one.
No.
2 minutes.
Atras na! Atras! Atras!
Foul on Esteva. It's warning on Esteva. Fourth against Esteva. Second team foul on Bangsamoro. Sabret. Warning on Esteva. Fourth on Esteva. 63-51. 12 back to mixed squad. 12 point lead ang mixed squad. $64 against the 51. Now, nice shot by Estela, 53-64. 11 point lead mixed squad, 1 minute and 35 seconds. Zumbrano. 10 to shoot. And to shoot. 5. Okay, na set clock. 1 minute. 10 to shoot. It's foul. Foul on PJ. 13 foul on Bangsamoro. Second on PJ. 1 minute. 14 na set clock for P. Balitan. 10 to shoot. 5. 45 seconds. Lukiao. Black by Perma. 40 seconds. Black again by Perma. Pass kami from Perma, 66-53. Back to 13 point lead now on mixed squad. Lukiao. Again to strong by Lukiao. Perma, 20 seconds. Viernes. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! On Viernes. 5 seconds.